Alright guys, hi. If you're new, thanks for tuning on in. My name is My name is Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty, where we discuss a lot of beauty and makeup. Doing some fitness stuff, doing some health stuff coming up. Not like a dietitian or anything, I'm just a human being trying to take care of themselves. And I also do keto, so here we are. I wanted to treat myself to a subscription box, and I was just trying to think, like I've done a few beauty ones in the past. The only thing, I live in Philly, a downside to living in like a medium-sized city without a car is that I don't have access to a lot of different things. And in the world of like paleo and Atkins and keto, there's just so many different food options available now, but I can't like get in my car to drive to them to go look at them or pick them up. I do have a Whole Foods and a Trader Joe's there, maybe that's about it. So I saw Keto Krate, I have cat hair all over me, sorry. So I saw Keto Krate, and it was one of the more highly recommended subscription boxes because they leave out a lot of sugar substitutes, in their products. They intentionally look for things that don't have those added sugars. So it's 40 bucks a month. I don't even know if I get like a referral code or anything with this. I really just want to come on here and show you guys what I got. So if you're interested in keto, if you're interested in Keto Krate or just doing low carb in general, for me at least, I just wanted to have access to different foods that I could potentially like order online. So that is why I got the box. This is clearly not sponsored, so you don't have to worry about any of that. But if you have tried Keto Krate, like please share like your thoughts and experiences down below, and if there are any other subscription boxes that you'd recommend, share those as well. All right, let's go ahead and jump on in. So I am posting this right at the end of July. So this won't be helpful necessarily if you wanted to know what was in the July box. But you can at least see some of the stuff you might get. So it's got some words on it. I honestly have not read it, so I don't know what it says, but here we are. All right, so this is a really nice pamphlet. So it shows you like all of the like foods and stuff. There are a lot of like coupon codes for most of these, and then it gives you a recipe. This is for an individual birthday cake cheesecake, which is perfect for me because I love cake and I love cheesecake, and when you do low carb you can't go to the store and buy those things. So I want to make this recipe, but I haven't done it yet. So yeah, I'm excited that that is in there. It's just like a really nice pamphlet too. It's a nice insert. Okay, so I already demolished this. So some of these, I should preface, some of these things I have tried and have not tried. So it's a mix of like product review, unboxing, and so I have braces. And my teeth are just like really soft because of like the dental work that's going on. So I don't really eat nuts, and a lot of jerkies are too hard for me. So some of this I will end up giving to my sister. She also does keto. So I'll let you guys know like what I have tried and what I haven't tried. So these are dulce de leche meringues. They're only 30 calories. There are 4 servings in the container, and like this was a full-size container. It wasn't like little like mini meringues. No, these bad boys are like regular size. So they put the whole tub of those in here. This is definitely like one of the high carb things they put in here, but if you like plan out your macros, you flex your day, like the serving size is 10 cookies. I did not eat 10 of these at a time. I had like maybe 2 or 3 at a time. So I would consider picking these up and keeping them in my apartment. I also recently had this. It is a Keto Watt peanut butter, vegan friendly, keto friendly, paleo friendly, natural like health bar. And this has 17 grams of carbs in it. And it did have some nuts in it. Like I said, this is peanut butter flavor, but it also just had like little concentrations of like oil that were like coconut oil that were solid. So it was an interesting tasting experience. Because it's so high in carbs, I don't know if I would necessarily pick this up, but it tasted good. I am surprised that they do have these high carb products in here, but it's neither here nor there. This is by Keto Mania. It was a, what does it say? Ketogenic chocolate wonder food. So it basically has chocolate in it and like coconut oil. Would I pick this up again? I don't remember how many grams of carbs are in there. It was okay. I guess I didn't like mix it up enough inside the little packet, because you got one of these basically, but it was just like eating like part chocolate that tasted a little bit like dark chocolate and then like part coconut oil. So I think you really just gotta mix it up, but it wasn't bad. I kind of liked the coconut oily chocolate flavor, and so this is a coupon code. And then I haven't tried this yet. These are Air cheese. They're cheddar crunchy cheese bites. I will open them and try them. There's only 3 grams of carbs in here. I am trying for the life of me to not eat a lot of cheese, but I love cheese. And I had seen someone comment in the past, because they were doing reviews, like they were kind of sick of getting cheese products. So if I find that I'm getting too much of things I can't eat, I'll stop doing the subscription service. All right. Oh, this is the last thing that I tried out of here. These are really, really good. These are birthday cake cookies by Nui. And there are 18 grams of carbs, but the net carbs is 15 grams, and you get 2 cookies, so you could have like 1 cookie a day, and it's not that bad. They do taste kind of coconutty, but they're really good, so I'd also consider keeping these on hand. All right, and I haven't tried the rest of the stuff, but this is just butter flavored coconut oil, which like speaks to my soul. So I do kind of want to try this. I'm not gonna sit here and eat it, so I've got to like season something with it. I just put some tofu in the fridge to marinate, so maybe I'll cook it in that. All right, and then this is a hydration pack. It's got 0 calories, 0 sugars, and 0 carbs. I was using a hydration pack in the past, and it had 11 grams of sugar in it, so I stopped doing that. So I'll be interested to try this, and if I did want to pick up one, I would consider getting this because it doesn't have sugars in it. And then this is my last like non-jerky meat thing. I haven't tried this. It's like a gel pack. It's tropical margarita flavored, 1 net carb, 25 grams of fat. So like if you're in a pinch, you could just stick this in your purse and kind of just like chug this and make sure you're getting your fats for the day. So it's got pecan, almonds, MTC oil, coconut, macadamia nuts, cocoa butter, chia seeds, avocado oil, salt, lime, essential oil, and stevia. So that kind of sounds good. But yeah, it's got 1 net carb, so I'm with it. All right, and then these are items I might give to my sister. They're all like jerky products. So this is 3 Jerks original filet mignon beef jerky, and it's hamburger flavored. My sister loves jerky. So I would rather just pass them on to her versus like trying it and being like, ugh, I don't like it. I kind of like jerky, it's just not my thing. So I got that, and then this is way too hard. This is garlic jalapeno. It's peppered beef. So it comes in a little stick like that. I'm gonna give this to her. I'm definitely not gonna try this. And then this seems soft enough that I could eat it. They are grass-fed beef sticks, but beef sticks freak me out. Like it just seems like a weird thing to eat. My sister, like I said, loves them, so I think I'm gonna pass those 3 items on to her. So that is it, you guys. That is the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you're interested in Keto Krate. That would be awesome. I mean, and if you want to do low carb, like you don't necessarily have to do keto to enjoy these products. It's just designed for people that do keto. So right now I'm kind of on the fence. Like I said, there are some good products that I got to try, which is fun. There's also a few products in here that I wouldn't eat. So in terms of like retail value, you do get your money's worth. Like I said, it's only 40 bucks a month. And I don't know, yeah, so it does list the prices on here. Some of them are free samples, some of them are like $3-4 bucks. One thing is $7, one thing is $2. Actually, the more I read this, you really don't get your money's worth. This is a little expensive because the total might tally up to 10, 13, 15, like maybe 20 bucks. So we'll see. I mean, now that I'm reading this, this is not cost effective at all. So I'll give it a run or 2 for the next couple of months, and then I'll give you guys an update after that whether or not I'm going to keep the box. All right, guys, like I said, this should be the end of the video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, especially as I'm putting out new content. It directionally lets me know if you're interested in these types of videos. Comment any questions about Keto Krate, or if there are any other subscription boxes I should look at, let me know about those. And then share this video with anyone that you know is either doing keto or would be interested in this type of subscription box. And yeah, just share my content if you're up to it. All right, guys, so until next time, take care, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.